Ever followed up with the wrong client or missed one entirely? One logic mistake could be breaking your entire automation. Most automations fail not because you're missing tools, but because the logic is flawed. Without decision-making nodes, your workflows are just straight lines. No conditions, no intelligence, no personalization. And let's be honest, one bad logic path can cost you a client. You send the wrong message, or worse, no message at all. Logic nodes are what make your system think like a human. If this happens, then do that. Otherwise, stop. That's what allows you to send the right message to the right client at the right time automatically. Let's walk through the 7 core logic nodes you'll use in almost every workflow. First, we have the if node. What it does? It checks a yes or no condition. So for example, did the lead select a schedule consultation? Pro tip, keep it simple. One if node per decision. Next, we have the switch node. What does it do? It routes data by value. For example, route clients based on state, such as California, New York, Texas. And a pro tip, use an if node first to check that the value even exists. Next, we have a merge node. What does it do? It combines 2 sources into one. So for example, one path pulls CRM data, the other grabs the form. And a pro tip, use pass-through mode if the second input depends on the first. Next, we have split and batches node. What does it do? It breaks data into smaller chunks. So for example, send follow-up emails in batches of 10. And a pro tip, add a wait node between batches to avoid hitting rate limits. Next, we have a wait node. And what does it do? Just like the name says, it delays the workflow. So for example, wait 2 days before sending a next step email. And a pro tip, use ISO date formatting for precision. Next, we have the no-op node. What does it do? It's a placeholder, which actually does nothing. So for example, use while testing or splitting logic visually. And a pro tip, label it clearly. Your future self will thank you. Next, we have an error trigger node. What does it do? Catches and routes failed steps. So for example, send a Slack alert if the CRM sync fails. And a pro tip, always set one up for mission critical workflows. Let's look at how this works in a real-world accounting workflow. A client fills out your tax prep form. That starts the automation with a webhook. We begin with an if node. Did they actually complete the form? If not, we stop here. If they did, we move to a switch node. Which state did they select? California? New York? Texas? From there, we bring in a merge node, combining their form data with their CRM profile. Now, we know exactly what to send. A California-specific follow-up or a personalized checklist. And just like that, your workflow acts like an assistant who knows what to do. Don't build one giant if block. Split decisions clearly. Always reset your logic path after switch or merge. Add error triggers. This is where most workflows fail. Never assume every submission is valid. Validate the inputs. Want my full logic cheat sheet for accounting or legal automations? Comment below or DM me, and I'll send it your way. Thank you.